this is a circuit in which we have used a transformer, a node MCU. It's a MCP3008 ADC IC, and we are using two relays which will be given to the appliances like bulb. And when the voltage will be, when the power will be over the given limit, the power will be cut off automatically. Now we will be turning on the supply. For that we are having the supply given to the board, and from main supply is been given to the appliances, which is given to the current sensor. Now we will be turning on it. First we are turning on voltage. As you can see that when I turn on the voltage, we are still not getting any output here on the localhost server. Now when I will be turning on the current, now even if I turn on the supply for the as current is been not on, so it will be not getting turned on. Once I turn on, supply get turned on, and as you can see here, the data will start getting sending. As it's 10:32, now you can see here the data is been sent. Now as you can see, when the light is on, we will be getting the reading on our local host. Now as you can see, the voltage has been showing 237, and the current the wattage has been also shown. The second column is for the current supply, the third column is for the voltage, and the last column is for the power, and the fourth column is for the power supply. And you can see the date and time. At real time we are getting the data. So if now we will be noticing that if the voltage is been if the current increases or the power is been crossed, so it will be cut off. Now I would be changing the wattage bulb so that I could increase the wattage and show how it works. As you can see, now the power is been not cut off. Now I would be increasing the power. I have changed the bulb so that I could show you if the wattage increases above the given limit, then how it get cut off. Now I would be turning on the supply. As you can see, bulb is on, but when the wattage crosses 1 ampere, it automatically cut off. Now we will be seeing the supply here. As you can see, it was 1.18 power supply and it was 200 wattage bulb, so the power supply cut it off automatically. Now after few seconds, the bulb would be getting turned on if the wattage is less. If the wattage is more, it won't be getting turned off. Now after few seconds, as we are having, we will have made it for 3 seconds. Once the time get over, it automatically get turned on and then again turn off. So it get turned on automatically, and again it will get turned off. After a few seconds, it again get turned on. We have given a delay as we will be as the person will be coming and repairing the damage and seeing the fault and repairing it. Then again the system will get turned on. As you can see that the data is been not sending now. I have turned off the supplies. When I will be turning on the